Filipino mother Conchita was not able to hold back her tears when she recalled the moments her child, a grade 9 student, experienced bullying at a public school.
Ito'y sa kabila ng mapait na karanasan ng bata na
ang biktima ng bullying.
Bullying can happen in many
Nag-post na
ways.
naman siya ng picture. Screenshot ko nga. Send ko sa GC namin.
It can be cyber, physical, or emotional bullying. It is an issue that is very concerning and repeatedly happening mostly on students.
Ito naman akin na karon. Ako sa mo. Ito na ako.
It's not just an insult. It ruins our confidence, and what's worse is, it can be a reason to commit a suicide. In a world where difference makes us unique, bullying tears us apart. But it doesn't have to be this way.
Ayun na, banatan ka namin. Baril. Maganda, bagay to sa akin. Pati yan.
Ilang tao pa ba ang magpapakamatay para maisip nyo na ito ay nakasira ng buhay?
Dito. Opo dyan. Dito. Kumain ka dyan. Ayaw mo pagkain mo. Kumain ka. Ayan.
I can stay awake for days if that's what you want. Be number one.
If there's people are trying to bring you down, it only means that you are above of them. And pulling someone down will never help you reach the top. And reminder, blowing out someone else's candle doesn't make you shine any brighter.